Well, good evening. I understand that we are coming to the end of this event, and I wouldn't like to hold back from something which is deliciously cooking over back here, but I promise I'm going to complete this in a quick time. So, are we ready? 1 second. This won't work, my friend. Can you send me the link? Share it and click me the link. So I am basically more towards AI and the presentation also what I have made. It's using Canva because that's definitely helping a lot of people like us to quickly come up with a lot of solutions in terms of designing, in terms of creating some awesome graphics. But I think we have the link here. Just 1 second, please. Okay, internet issues. I think I got it. Great. So, do you think this is some kind of a magic over here? Okay, before we quickly dive into the future, raise your hands if you ever wish that you had a magic wand to overcome the challenges of facility management. Anybody? Anybody? I could just see ma'am over here. Oh, I think everyone's a magician out here. 2 people? Okay, great. So the good news is, I am not a magician, neither do I have a wand, but I have got something better. And what is that? Robots. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ritesh, and I am the founder and young CEO of Prospero Dynamics Robotics, where we have been in India for the last 4 years, working on robotic innovations, robotic solutions, which can help businesses overcome a lot of challenges and to make tomorrow a better place and support humans in every kind. There is a myth saying that robot will replace humans, AI will replace humans. But the fact is, human touch can never be replaced. Robots are tool and AI is our tool which can help humans to do their tasks more efficiently in a better manner. So, few of the challenges what I see from my experiences in the facilities management is post-COVID we have been seeing a lot of high operational cost in terms of increasing salaries of labor, inconsistency in labor shortages. At the same time, we are looking at more efficient, productive way of doing business. But here, we have been finding a lot of solutions over a period of time, working with a lot of clients, understanding what their requirements are, and based on what they have informed us, we have done a research and we have come up with a lot of robotic solutions. Today, I'm going to present you how robotics is going to be helpful in facilities management. So before I switch back, we have been working in the robotic domain for the last 4 years, and currently we have our solutions being used right from hospitality, F&B, events and entertainment, factories, warehouses, medicals, education, and of course, facility management being the main subject. Well, as we say that in India, we are a follower and not an early adapter. Do you agree? Yes. We always think that पहले कौन लगाया, कहाँ देखने को मिलेगा, किसने use किया हुआ है. But ultimately, we are the biggest consumer market in the whole world. And early adopters now takes the maximum advantage of staying ahead of the competition. When I talk about FM globally, they have been started using the robotic solution in a very, very, very efficient manner. And we have been seeing a lot of results in a positive way. So here I am presenting a stellar army of robots. Previously, 3 years back when I was here, where Satya Garu gave me an opportunity, I just had 1 robot. So right now the trend is 1 + 1 is not 2, 1 + 1 is 11. Where at this moment, I would like to thank Satya Garu ji for giving an opportunity again, where we have got a range of more than 51 different robots catering to different business solutions. A few of them, which are focused mainly for facility management, are right from cleaning solutions, reception solution, last mile delivery robots in terms of logistics, material handling. These are something very new that we have been recently launching. These are the swimming pool robots and grass cutting mowers, which can be used in lot of domains again. The robotic forklift can be used in warehouses, factories, and bigger business areas. We have got commercial cleaning robots, which can be focused upon cleaning areas from 5,000 square feet up to 40 kilometers. Can you imagine that without any human intervention? So, few of our clients who have been using our solutions in the last 4 years have given us the analytics. This is a true fact, and not just because I want to put numbers on my slide. They have been seeing a 50% reduction operational costs, increase in productivity, a significant increase in efficiency, increase in sales, and of course, giving a happy workforce, both to the human and to the business. Now, coming to my reception line robots, we have been using this in many facility management corporate warehouses, corporate houses, where right from enhancing the visitor experience to giving a guided tour and overall enhancing the experience of the visitor using many AI solutions, these reception robots have been started using off late. A quick video as to how the reception robot looks. I'm sure you must have also experienced them at my stall. So as you can see, the reception line robots are working in tandem with the visitors, helping them, enhancing their visitor experience, and automating a lot of tasks, which in case have to be done by a receptionist. Right from giving a guided tour to escorting them from point A to point B, to interacting with them, being a smart salesman, offering solutions from products and services, the reception robots can do multiple things. Coming to the most important aspect of any facility management is cleaning solutions. So here, as I mentioned, that we are having robots which can do autonomous cleaning right from indoor, outdoor, vertically, horizontally, you name it, we have that kind of cleaning solutions. Right from parking lots to offices, to industries and warehouses, to hospitals, to universities, to corporate parks, we have been deploying these robots in most of the business domains across India. These are some of the material handling robots which are used in a much efficient way to faster the productivity, efficiency, at the same time reduce the operational cost. A quick glance of how the logistic robot looks. We are working very, very closely in the last mile delivery solution, where soon, instead of a Zomato delivery person or an Amazon person giving you deliveries, you will see robots coming to your houses and your doors and giving away the last mile robots. So some of the robots are now configured in a way that they call up the elevator on its own. They can go up to high-rise building 50 floors and give up the parcels and come back efficiently. This is something new that we have launched this year. This is the swimming pool robots and the grass mower robots. Let me quickly show you a video of how it works. Basically, cleaning a swimming pool is a task where we need to deploy a lot of people in terms of manpower, and still we do not get 100% cleaning efficiency. But with the help of our robots, all you have to do is just on it and just dip it inside the pool, and the task is done automatically by its own. So right from vertical cleaning of the floors to the walls, and also cleaning the leaves on the water surface, the robots can take the task. Over here, with the help of new technology called as RFK, real-time kinematic dynamics, the robot mower can cut a lawn from 1,000 square feet up to 3 acres. So you don't require any kind of a human intervention over there. These are some of our clients that we have gained popularity over a short period of time, and we take pride in coming up and having a strong portfolio over here. We have been recently invested by India's, I would rather say world's renowned university by ISB, we are working very, very closely with Asian Paints, who are going to be our next round of investor. So with the help of our robotic solutions, we are focusing to help businesses in a larger way. And for the last 3 years, we have been dominating the market with prestigious award, where we have been known as one of the trusted and reliable partners for robotic solutions. This is our experience center. I would welcome each and everyone to come down to our experience center, understand how the robot works, and over a cup of coffee, I would love to host you personally and would give you a run through of all our robots. Thank you so much. I think we are only short on time, and thank you so much for this opportunity. If you have any questions, we are still right now in the over our stall, and you can come and meet me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.